Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. Today's video is in collaboration with HiCOZY and I'm excited to share how we're getting the lounge area ready for the holidays. I'm starting downstairs because I'm actually unboxing my new HiCOZY B1 Ice Sphere Maker over here in the wine bar area before we move it upstairs. My husband loved it so much, he wanted it upstairs in our lounge, so I'll be taking it up to the lounge later on in this video. We actually used it downstairs for about a week before we moved it up, and I have to say we fell in love with it. It comes with a little spout that makes it easy to pour water into the reservoir, and I didn't really need it, but it will come in handy if you have a wide mouth jug. So come decorate the lounge with me. We're adding a little Christmas, a little cozy, and setting up our bar area for the season. Since I'm moving the ice maker upstairs, let's go ahead and create a simple cocktail setup for the lounge. I want this tray to feel intentional and ready for a quick pour whenever we're up here. I'm starting with this simple green gnome tray, perfect for the holidays, and I'm adding one of my husband's favorite spirits, along with 2 clear decanters. One for a clear spirit like vodka or tequila, and one for a dark spirit, usually whiskey or bourbon in our case. I'm pouring vodka and I'll let my husband pour his choice because as you'll see in a second, he definitely has a favorite. Now I'm adding a couple of modifiers, some people call them floats, to the countertop, the Grand Marnier and the Jameson. And of course, for the folks who like gin, I'm adding that to the tray as well. It's about a shot left of this white Hennessy. We have a full bottle in the cabinet display, so let's add it as a reminder to go ahead and finish it off. And I have 2 more different bottles from my husband's favorite brand, same base, just different aging and distilling methods. So the flavor is completely different. And if you know my husband, you already know which one he's reaching for. And now we're adding a collection bottle of Jack Daniel and of course 2 amber colored shot glasses just to add a little bit more color to the tray. We're going to move the glasses around on the countertop and we're good to go. Give me 1 second. Let me go grab the ice maker so you can see exactly where it's going to live up here. All right, so this is the ice maker y'all seen downstairs, the HiCOZY B1. My husband loved it so much, he insisted it come up here. And honestly, it just makes sense for the lounge. This is where we relax at night, make a quick cocktail, or pour a little something after a long day. So having the ice right here keeps us from running back and forth. It has a smart LED display that shows your water level and lets you know when the ice basket is full. It also includes stainless steel ice tongues and a spill-resistant drip tray, which I really appreciate. It fits perfectly in this corner, quiet, compact, and it makes those slow melting clear ice spheres that makes everything look better. Let me show you one. This is what I love, the clarity, the size, and the way it chills your drink without watering it down. And here's a tip. It makes 2 spheres at a time, so if you're hosting, pre-make a batch and store them in the freezer so you have plenty ready to go. So thank you HiCOZY for gifting me this B1 ice ball maker and sponsoring this portion of the video. I'll have it linked for anyone who's interested, so be sure to check it out. The lounge bar is all set, so now let's cozy up the rest of the room and bring in a little Christmas spirit. I don't want to overdo it, just add a few simple touches that feel warm, inviting, and festive without taking away from the lounge vibe. I'm starting with these 3 decorative green trees, 1 lighted, 1 clear, and 1 in a shiny deep green. Together they create a nice little display on this 2-tier bar area. Now I'm adding this green antique looking ornament candle I already had and I absolutely love it. Let's unbox this candle from Jackson Vaughan. They gifted me the perfect amber color candle from their line. I chose the hometown holiday candle. It's packaged nicely, which makes it an easy gift you can order and have sent directly to someone. Not only does it smell amazing, It looks beautiful too, and it makes a great gift idea. It also came with the literature for the candle care. A lot of people need that, the Candle Care 101. And let's add it over here by the tray to pull some of that amber into this area. I'm using green and amber throughout the lounge. They're warm, rich colors and are perfect for Christmas and still fit the lounge vibe. And you'll see why in just a minute. Thank you, Jackson Vaughan, for gifting us this candle. I'll be sure to link it to the video. Y'all, the cord in the plug area right beside the cigar humidor was really bothering me. So I tried to come up with a plan to hide the plug in the cord. I started with this decor piece that was already in the room to kind of cover it, but I ended up switching it out later. You'll see that later on in the video. I decided to go with the oversized chest horse head piece that was already in the space. Now let's pull some amber into the main sitting area. I'm adding 2 of the 5 amber colored glass vases to the TV area. You can add real candles or battery operated ones inside. Either works beautifully. I do have a link to some similar ones if you're interested. And then I'm adding this Believe sign. And that's it for this area. On to the coffee table. I've shared this coffee table in here before. It has 4 drawers, which are perfect for hiding things and keeping everything neat and put away. This black trim mirror tray is perfect for the space, and it makes the ideal backdrop for a set of 2 green trees with the cork style base, along with 3 mixed wood tone snowmen. I absolutely love these snowmen. I purchased them at different times, and I felt like the color, the texture can be perfect in here in any area of your home as well. I'm adding an amber color candle with the house scene for warmth and a few different types of pine cones to bring in some natural texture. I also needed to go ahead and rehang this sign. I used some of my favorite hanging nails, and I'll link them to the description for anyone who's interested. Absolutely love them. Now let's add some more green into the space. I am going to add 4 pillows into the area along with a throw. I do have a link to these pillows as well as the others. And then we're going to add some more of that brown wood texture over here to this side of the display. My goal is to just add these 2 pieces without moving too much to this area. We have a wood tree as well as another wood snowman with metal arms. Let's add the throw to the 1 chair I ordered from Walmart last year. I'll see if I have a link to it because I absolutely love it. The throw is definitely cozy, and the other 2 pillows were purchased from the same store as the previous pillows I already added to the space. I love them just as much. The color and texture are perfect, and these have a zipper, so I can easily remove the inserts and replace them if I ever want to switch things up. Just going to tidy up the bar table area. That was really my working area while I was adding items to the space. We also kept 3 of those decorative amber colored vases to that bar table, and then I'm also adding just some greenery over here with a tabletop tree I already had. And I also had 4 of these brown round pillows in the space before adding the green pillows. I'm just going to add 2 to the reclining chairs, and the other 2 I'm just going to leave in the bar table chairs. I have a couple of those gold metal baskets. I'll just bring one up here. I've had it for a while just so we have a place to toss the pillows if we have company over. We can just throw them right into the basket to clear the seating area if we needed to. I decorated the tree off camera. However, I did find some more picks and ornaments in this storage box in that same color family, so I'm just going to add those to the tree just to finish off the look and use the few little items I had left. Of course, I'm going to step back and look at the tree. And I don't know if you noticed the little white band going around some of the space. Those are some Govee lights. Absolutely love them. They create a whole nother vibe in the space. So I'm going to turn them on just so you can see. They are remote control, or you can actually control them from your phone or mobile device, any type of tablet or something like that. So absolutely love them. And I'm going to go downstairs, grab the wire basket, and then we're going to show you how the space turned out. All right, y'all, we're coming to the end of this video. This room is cozy, festive, and ready for the season. Thank you again to HiCOZY for partnering with me on this video. Everything I use will be linked, so be sure to check it out. I hope you enjoy spending some time with me, and I hope this inspires you to create a little cozy moment in your home too. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.